Hey all, do you want to get a job in the IT industry? Well, RHC certification could be the ticket to your success. With this certification, you can become a Linux administrator or system engineer and earn a median salary of $75,000 per year. And the best part, you don't need an IT background to do this certification. Just like our alumni, Akhil Nath and Namita Kumari, who now work as system administrator and system engineer, even though they had degrees in commerce and mathematics. Also, RSC certification can lead to fantastic careers in clouds and DevOps. So what are you waiting for? Join Naufal, Ajmal and Adarsh Vivek, who have found successful careers in cloud and DevOps by joining the RHC certification course at IPSR today. So don't let this opportunity slip away. Contact us to know more about the course and start your journey towards becoming a Linux professional.